Welcome to the Motus Video Zone, where you get to take your study routine from the page to the video to the streets. This combination of print and video learning is designed to make you a better driver and give you a winning edge on test day. Okay, let's get started. The yard test, the starting point of your practical driving test. There are two parts to the yard test: the pre-trip inspections and the yard maneuvers. Both must be completed within 20 minutes. The yard test begins with a pre-trip inspections which must be completed successfully before the yard maneuvers can proceed. These are all covered in your Motus K53 manual, as well as here in the Video Zone series. Your examiner will direct you to the starting point of your inspections and for each maneuver. Follow your examiner's instructions carefully at all times. You may ask an examiner to repeat an instruction if you're unclear. Remember to clearly call out each check out loud to your examiner as you proceed with the pre-trip inspections. During your yard test maneuvers, stopping will be permitted at any stage, as long as the proper observations, procedures, and signals are followed. Remember, although wearing a seatbelt is not required, the yard test is conducted just as you were on a public road, and points will be deducted for failure to follow road signs, rules, and markings. Touching any obstacle, mounting a curb, uncontrolled or dangerous actions are not permitted and will result in immediate fail. Push and pull steering is not required in the yard test. See your copy of the official Motus K53 Learners and Drivers Manual for additional details of the yard test maneuver requirements and layouts. Remember, the yard test is where most first-time candidates fail, and your nerves will greatly affect your performance. So come prepared. It will help you to keep calm. For more information, get the Motus K53 at all good retailers across South Africa.